Do you think you've made your best song? Do you think you wrote your best verse yet?
Not at all. Not at all.
You think your best verse is still to come?
Of course.
What's your best one today? Like we put a pause on life. Like,
right now, my best
really
verse,
is it?
To me, to this day, my best verse is gonna always be my verse on. It was a song called my first solo song on the Hot Boys album. It was a song called Block Burner.
You don't say a cuss word on that.
Exactly, at all.
You was niggas like, I know that verse.
And so, you know, I started, when we would go do shows and stuff in New York, like just stuff in New York, like even a TV show or something, if they have another New York artist on there, they would always put me to the side and like let me know, like, bro, I respect that you don't, that you come up, that you rap like that and don't cuss. Because they would always also tell me, because I thought when I listened to you, I thought you was gonna just be like a little sing-song artist where it doesn't matter if you're cussing or not. It's like, but you really be rapping. They would always give me, always New York artists. Always.
Shout out to Block Burner.